In this video, we demonstrate how to install the EZVIZ Windows app to access your EZVIZ cameras on your PC or laptop. With this app, you can easily monitor your cameras from anywhere, ensuring you always stay connected to your security system. Follow along as we guide you through the installation process and show you how to set up the app for seamless access to your cameras on your Windows device. To download the EZVIZ Windows app, visit the EZVIZ website under the support menu and select EZVIZ PC Studio software from the download page, or use the download link provided in the video description below. Once downloaded, click or open the downloaded software to run the installation setup, and follow our step-by-step guide to install the app onto your PC, ensuring it is set up with the necessary permissions. During installation, make sure to enable the option to create a desktop icon so you can easily access the software later. The EZVIZ icon will be conveniently placed on your desktop screen for quick access. Additionally, ensure you give full access or allow the EZVIZ app through the Windows security firewall when prompted. This will enable the software to function properly without any interruptions. Once the software is open, there are two ways to access your EZVIZ cameras. The first option is by using your existing EZVIZ mobile app login credentials, allowing you to view your cameras remotely. The second option is to view the cameras locally when they are connected to the same LAN network as your PC. In this video, we demonstrate the first option. Choose the Login option and enter your EZVIZ mobile app user credentials to access your cameras remotely. Make sure to select your region according to your location, then enter your credentials, either your mobile number or email ID, based on your EZVIZ app setup. Optionally, you can enable the Auto Login feature to log in automatically without having to enter your login details again later. After logging in, you will see the EZVIZ cameras associated with your account. To view the live stream, select the camera you wish to monitor. The first time you do this, you may be prompted to enter the device verification code. Each camera has a unique verification code that you'll need to enter respectively. This code can be found on your camera's body label near the serial number. Alternatively, you can retrieve this code from your EZVIZ mobile app. To do this, select the camera in the app, navigate to the camera settings, and click the camera name or logo to view the device details, where you can find the verification code. Now that the live stream is appearing on your screen, you can enable audio for the camera feed, adjust the window division to view multiple cameras simultaneously, or select the window division option that best suits your needs to view all cameras together. If your camera has pan-tilt (PTZ) functionality, you can control these features directly from the software. Simply click the PTZ icon located at the bottom of the software to open the PTZ controller, which allows you to pan, tilt, and zoom the camera as needed. Additionally, the software includes a playback option to view recorded videos from your camera. To access this feature, click on the Gallery button within the software. Once the Gallery feature is open, you can see a timeline-based recording of past videos. Drag the timeline to adjust the timing and view specific recordings. In another part of the video series, we will demonstrate more details about this playback feature and other functionalities of the EZVIZ software. If you found this video useful, please consider supporting us. Your support helps us create more informative content like this and enables us to continue providing valuable resources to our audience. Whether it's through liking, sharing, or subscribing to our channel, every bit of support is greatly appreciated.